guys, welcome back to my channel. uh Guys, it's been a minute since I've recorded a full-length video. You would have seen me posting shorts, those I would have recorded and edited sometimes, so I just schedule them so they can keep the channel active. But to do a full-length video, this is the first time I'm doing one since the passage of Hurricane Melissa. Guys, I don't know how to explain how I'm feeling. I'm feeling rather dejected. The whole experience feels so out of body that I can't believe that a category 5 hurricane hit our island. Of course, we're in the Caribbean and hurricanes are part and parcel of where we are located, but never before have we experienced a category 5 hurricane of that magnitude. The devastation caused to the western parishes and some eastern parishes as well, it is I'm lost for words, guys. I'm struggling to find the words, the adjectives to describe how devastating the level of catastrophe that has taken place here in Jamaica. The level of destruction to Hanover, St. James, St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, Manchester, sections of Clarendon. It's one that will take us decades to recover from, and the rebuilding process will need all hands on deck and support from every person who can give us service. I know that at this time a lot of persons are feeling dejected because they are not able to support the relief efforts, simply because some persons just can't afford it. And seeing the level of devastation and destruction amongst us, and not being able to help, I know that this has caused a lot of trauma for a lot of persons. But what I will tell you and can reassure you, even if you're not able to give anything right now because you might be going through your personal struggles, it's okay. It's okay not being able to assist sometimes. It's a part of life. So please don't beat up yourselves if you're not able to participate in the relief efforts that are taking place. Attend to yourself right now and do what you can so that you can cope. And once you're in a position where you can assist, then you do so. I'll be taking along on the road with me. I'm heading to the hairdressers right now to get my hair done. Just regular maintenance that I'll be doing, as well as I'm gonna pick up some items and donate to the relief efforts that's taking place at my office, because some of my colleagues would have suffered loss as a result of the hurricane. So I'm gonna see how best I can contribute to that effort. So this is one of the dresses that I will be wearing today. On this channel we are on a mission to shop our closet, because I am going to ensure that I wear all the clothes in my closet that I have abandoned. So this is one of the dresses that I haven't worn in a few years, so I'm gonna put a cutaway of what it looks like right here, as well as some slides that I got on Michael Kors website recently. I like shopping on that website because, guys, as I tell you, I don't particularly like the resellers, because sometimes some of the styles that they have over there, it's not on the website, and the website tend to have nicer styles and more exclusive products over there. So this is a cutaway of what I'll be wearing, so hope you like it. So let's get on the road and let's see what we can fit into this weekend's vlog, so keep on watching. here, guys. I absolutely love it. I got a center part this time and I didn't go as long as usual. This is 16 inches and it stops just a little above my breast. This is the length. It's nice. A change from what I'm accustomed to, but it's cute. I'll rock this. Also got my nails done. We changed from my previous black and white and we're now doing a brown. We're still in the fall, so just closing out the fall with brown set. So these are cute. I like them as well. So now I'm just gonna go get some water for my house and then I'm gonna go pick up the supplies that I will be donating to the relief efforts. So let's go. Yeah. This is mine. You're probably gonna need one of the soaps so they can get the price of the soap. So number 3, not cashing. Thank you. Here you go. Thank you so much. All right, later. Yeah, man. So guys, now that I'm finished with my purchase of water for my home as well as the donations that I'll be giving to the collection drive, I am now gonna head home because I have a delivery that I'm expecting. Can't wait to show you guys. You're gonna see it in a minute or two. Just wait and see. I'm so excited. I've been toying over whether or not I should get this item or not, but I think it's a worthwhile investment. I'm so happy I did. All right, I'm gonna give you a little sneak peek of what I'm talking about. Remember, I'm in my last vlog, I'm gonna link it up top, where I went home equipment shopping. I'm finally furnishing my home gym, so I've started with a piece of equipment that I selected. I think it's a good first choice to start, because this will give me the overall workout that I want, and then I'll just incrementally add more items as I go along. But I think investing in home equipment, home gym equipment, it's a worthwhile investment. You can't ever go wrong in investing in your fitness and your well-being. I think it's a good spend. So I'm looking forward to the delivery. The delivery man called me earlier and said that he'll be coming today, so I'm expecting that, and I'm looking forward to that. And you'll see it. I'll do my first workout on my home gym. That's in the making, and I'm so excited, guys. Let's go home and let's see what the delivery guys have in store for me. Keep on watching. Oh, I never knew it was so big. Yeah, it looks small. I didn't know it was this big. Well, can I send it back? Guys, I finally have my elliptical. Thank God. Now I can do all my workouts at home, so I don't have to go to the gym unless I really want to. So excited. Guys, my first workout on my new elliptical, new at-home elliptical. So excited to be having it at home, so I don't have to rush going to the gym anymore, because I have something to work out at home. I'm happy that I did this investment. I'm so exhausted, and full body workout, arms, backs, legs, chest. That's why I love the elliptical. It gives me the results that I want, and I'm aiming for at least 5 to 6 times per week, minimum 5. All right, let me be realistic, guys. At least 4 to 6 times per week, minimum 4 times. Minimum 4 times. Of course, we have to give our bodies a break and get some rest, because rest is important in having a healthy lifestyle. So yeah, but so excited to have this at home. All right, guys,